If you've tried a BHA exfoliant and your skin either freaked out or just didn't clear up the way you expected, before you write off BHA entirely, Paula's Choice and COSRX get compared constantly. Almost every video will tell you they're basically doing the same thing. They're not. And I'm not talking about price or brand, I'm talking about the actual molecule inside the bottle. That molecule is why your skin might have reacted the way that it did. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This has been the gold standard BHA for a long time. And we're going to get into the ingredient profile in a second, and when we do, you understand why. The active here is salicylic acid. This is your classic BHA, the most researched form with decades of clinical backing. It's oil soluble, so it doesn't just sit on top of your skin. It actually gets down into your pores and dissolves any buildup sitting in there and clears congestion from inside out. And this 2% BHA concentration that it has is the maximum dosage allowed in over-the-counter products in the US. Paula's Choice has formulated this at an optimal pH, so the salicylic acid is actually active and doing the job. And let me tell you one thing, there's a lot of BHA products out here that are not doing a damn thing. It's mostly just marketing. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that pisses me off every single time I see it. But this one right here, she's doing the damn job, okay? I use it all the time. My skin loves it. Every time I have makeup on, it's a non-negotiable. It's going on my nighttime skincare routine. And the rest of the ingredients in the formula here, like green tea extract, is a wonderful antioxidant for supporting and soothing the skin. And I actually love that it not only is exfoliating the skin, it's also hydrating the skin, which is something some formulators tend to miss in formulations. They make a product super exfoliating and it doesn't even add any type of hydration to the skin. But this one not only exfoliates, soothes the skin. There's also an ingredient here called methylpropanediol. It's a humectant that helps with absorption. So it not only hydrates, but it also helps that exfoliants go deeper into the skin. It's pretty straightforward formulation. It's effective, which we love to see it. And the label backs up everything they claim. And that's all we can ask for, right? In this crazy influx of skincare products that we're in right now. Now we're going to get into COSRX, and I obviously don't have the product, and that's because I don't need it for my skincare. But this one is where you really need to pay attention, because this is where a lot of you be getting got. And one thing I don't want for my audience is to get got by the broad marketing terms that are not regulated, frankly, by the FDA. So you really need to pay attention here. The active ingredients in this COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid is betaine salicylate, not salicylic acid. And when I really thought about it, I had to look at this product twice, because the way this product is marketed makes it incredibly easy to assume that you're comparing the same molecule at different price points. And you're not. Betaine salicylate and salicylic acid are two completely different molecules. Betaine salicylate is actually derived from salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the parent molecule. Betaine salicylate is derived from sugar beet. It's a gentler, milder form of BHA. Here's the thing that makes the label even more confusing. COSRX lists this as 4% BHA, so someone looks at Paula's Choice at 2% and COSRX at 4%, and they think, oh, COSRX is stronger. It's not. According to the research, you need roughly double the concentration of betaine salicylate to get a similar effect to salicylic acid. So 4% betaine salicylate is equivalent to 2% salicylic acid in exfoliation strength. So I mean, the marketing is technically accurate. It does contain 4% BHA, but it's not the same BHA, and that changes everything about which one is right for your skin. And this right here is probably why some of you have had completely different experiences with these two products, even though you were told to do the same thing. So if you've been using COSRX and wondering why your blackheads and congestions aren't really budging the way you hoped, you're not doing anything wrong. You might just have a skin concern that needs actual salicylic acid molecule to address it properly, and nobody told you that, and that's okay. That's why I'm here, babe. On the flip side though, if you've tried Paula's Choice and your skin got red, irritated, angry, that's not your sign that BHA doesn't work for you. That's just a sign that 2% salicylic acid at low pH might be more than your skin barrier can handle right now. So I'll definitely advise scaling down to COSRX or using a product with betaine salicylate and then work your way up to salicylic acid. I'm gonna be really real with you about which one is better for your skin concerns, because I know that's what you're wondering too, babe. Paula's Choice with 2% salicylic acid, this is for you if your skin can handle actives really well. And if you've been exfoliating for a while, if you have oily skin, or just really congested acne-prone skin that has consistent blackheads, and you want results that are faster, more aggressive, if your skin barrier is in good shape and you're not reactive, this is the most researched form of BHA, and the label absolutely backs it up, and it promises and delivers what it says. COSRX with 4% betaine salicylate if you're newer to chemical exfoliants, or if your skin gets reactive or sensitive easily. if you've tried BHAs before and you found them too harsh, or if you want something you can work up to using more regularly without the intensity of a true salicylic acid. This formula also has niacinamide and sodium hyaluronate built in, so you're getting hydration and barrier support alongside the exfoliation. So this is genuinely a smart formula decision, especially for anyone whose skin leans dry or combination. Here's my pro tip as a chemist. I think it's worth knowing that BHAs need an acidic environment to work properly. Salicylic acid is optimum at a pH between 3 and 4. Practically what that means is apply your BHA to freshly cleansed skin or after a low pH toner. You don't have to obsess over this information. If you use it at a high pH, it's not the end of the world. It still works, it just will probably work at a lower potency. AHAs are the ones that really thrive in that really low pH. Let's talk money, honey. Paula's Choice is at $37, COSRX is at $25. But if you look at the price per use, COSRX actually stretches further because you're using less product per application and the bottle lasts longer. So if budget matters and your skin leans sensitive, this isn't a compromise option. It's genuinely the smarter buy for your skin type. Here's my last pro tip, and this one is important. If you're allergic to aspirin, do not use products with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid unfortunately shares the same chemical composition as aspirin and carries some of the same properties. Most people have no idea, and it matters. If aspirin is a problem for you, COSRX with Betaine Salicylate is a safer choice. 2 to 3 times a week, build up slowly, and SPF should be a non-negotiable every single morning when you're using an exfoliant. I'm sure by now you can tell that I don't think two of these products are interchangeable by any means. There's a clear molecular difference here. Paula's Choice if your skin is resilient, you're experienced with actives, and your skin concern is congestion and blackheads. COSRX if you're sensitive, newer to BHA, or want something gentler you can use more regularly. Neither one is overhyped. I personally love this because it works on my extreme oily acne-prone skin. They're just solving the same problem with different chemistry. And now you know which chemistry is right for your skin. Both of these products will be linked in the description box. Save this before your next skincare order. And if you're new to skincare and want to know what the common ingredients in skincare mean, watch this video right here.